Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing first impression review video. Today we're unboxing the Outre Stevie unit. This is a lace front unit on Swiss lace with eye parting, so it is just a good old tried and true middle part. Today we are trying some color. I'm not doing my typical jet black one. This is in the color DRFF2/2730. I'll make sure that I put all the specs and everything down in the description box below. This is constructed of a heat resistant fiber and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So if you did want to put some of these curls back in the unit after the curls fall, then you definitely have the ability to do that. And as always on the information card, it includes instructions on how to care for your unit and also other colors that this unit does come in. Taking a closer look at the cap construction, you guys can see that there are two combs on the outermost portion of the unit, closer to the ear tabs. Then at the bottom you guys can see that there's an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. So straight out of the box, this is what the unit looks like. I am not impressed, I'm not a fan. So obviously I'm gonna go in and style this unit to my satisfaction and then let you guys know what I think with all my comments, questions, concerns, and then additional specs about this unit. But initially, right off the bat, I'm just thinking that this color is a little too harsh for my skin tone. It washes me out. So we'll see once I brush it out, but I don't like it. I feel like it's coning, it's sitting right on top of my head. So I'm gonna go in, manipulate this, and then I'll be back in a second. So getting into the specs of this unit, you guys, I still don't like this. I feel like the color, this is why I stick to my jet black one, because this just, it doesn't go, when I try and do these blonde or colored units, I just feel like they don't match very well with my skin tone. They just look they either look really wiggy or they don't look good on me. They are not fooling anybody, and I just feel like this is too harsh of a color for my skin tone. So moving into the specs of this unit, it is a synthetic unit. In terms of the length of this unit, it comes to a little bit below my bust. My belly button is here and I am 5'9" and some change. So it is right around the length that I usually like to get my units. It's not too long. In terms of the parting space goes to back here. And I did apply my flesh tone powder from the Ulta Contour Kit, the Bombshell Bronzer, onto the scalp. And I'm also wearing a nude wig cap. I didn't use any of the combs. I didn't use any of the adjustable straps. In terms of the fit, it's nice, comfortable. I don't feel like it's cutting off my circulation, so definitely big head friendly. You don't have to do anything. You can just plop it on, go about your business. In terms of shedding, I did get a decent amount of shedding. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I did get a decent amount of shedding and I didn't really have to brush this out too much. So just keep that in mind. I did apply this apple cider vinegar dry co-wash dry shampoo onto the unit because it was very, very shiny. And I was trying to make it look more realistic. So I added that and it did tone down some of the shine around the scalp. But for the rest of the unit, I don't know, it still looks very, very shiny. It's very, very bright. But for the roots and the darker portions of the unit, it did help combat some of that shine. So I would definitely consider investing in some dry shampoo for any units that you have, not just this one, that are very shiny. I like how they did the bang section. A lot of units do not get this correct. They try and just cut a choppy bang in, but they did a really good job of curling and framing the face. So kudos to Outre for getting that right. So yeah, overall, I think that it had potential to be really beautiful. I do like the way that the curls look after you've brushed it out and then they've clumped back together. I don't think that this is a good look for me. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button on your way out and definitely bring a friend next time or share this with a friend that you think might like this unit. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them down below in the comment section and I will catch you guys later. Bye.